Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe just leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a real simple product by ALLWAY, and it is a wet brush protector. These little paint ponchos are absolutely amazing for making projects a lot easier when it comes to painting. So this is the package it looks like. Once you open it up, you're going to get 5 little ponchos, and this is what they look like. So they have these little trapezoidal kind of shapes to them, which makes putting in a brush super easy. It's designed up to about 4-inch brushes. Just simply take your wet brush, slide it in there. You're going to pull the elastic cord so it's nice and tight, and then it has this little seal, and you just close it up. Now, these can protect and keep your wet paintbrushes fresh for up to a week. So if you are doing a job and you need a couple hours between a break, or you need to come back the next day and do those second coats or third coats or whatever, no more cleaning up all the brushes. You can simply throw them in these poncho pouches and then return to the job and get right back at it. So it kind of saves you a lot of time, and I absolutely love that aspect of it. Now, the paint ponchos, they do have kind of like this foggy look to them. Once you slide in a wet brush and it gets against the plastic here, it will become clear, so you can see if you have a bunch of them on the job, you can see which colors of brushes go where. You can also kind of write on the surface if you wish. Now, these are reusable, so you can simply wash it out or let it dry and for the next brush if you wish, or you can just toss them after your one job. It's kind of up to you. But overall, they are absolutely great. If you are in the market and you're for some solutions to make painting a little bit easier and kind of save you some time, I think these paint ponchos by ALLWAY are totally worth checking out. If there's something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. And that is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.